Hello, I'm Miss Carly. Let's take a look at this video, and afterwards, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Number 1. What happened to the bird? Yes, it was hurt. Number 2. How did the boy and the girl feel when they saw the injured bird? Right, they felt worried. Number 3. What were the kids talking about? Yes, they were discussing how to help the bird. Number 4. Where did they bring the bird to? Right, they brought the bird to the vet. Number 5. How was the bird in the end? Yes, it recovered and was well again. Well done, everyone. See you again next time.